That's a piece of software for your iPad called PageSend, and it's aimed at education. And I just want to give you a quick demonstration, kind of encourage people to use it and send us some feedback. So we're based in Bangor, just a few miles away. And Chris is sort of connected up, I'll be able to show you what it's about.
Maybe I'll swap it with yours first.
You're going to swap with mine, brilliant. If I get all the page, let's drop it. This happens quite often. Okay, brilliant. So, let's imagine this is your normal whiteboard, so you maybe want to teach some maths. So, you start recording and you say, okay, well 2 plus 2 is 4, and everybody's happy about that, and brilliant. You teach your lessons as you normally would. But imagine if some of your students are missing that day. Well, with something like this, what you can do.
Basically, everything that Tom does on that iPad here is actually replicated both in the cloud and on any other iPad that's actually connected. So we're quite intrigued about the future where you'll have more devices of this kind that will actually be used both by teachers and pupils in a classroom setting. And if we can combine them together, then it means that if we can participate in real time like this, then whatever I write, Tom sees on the screen if he's enabled that, and vice versa. And that's unlimited to a number of devices. But as Tom said, if I'm actually present at that class or I want to catch up on it later, then everything is actually recorded as well. So I can actually hit a playback button here, and I can then actually go through and replay Tom's work. So everything he's actually said, everything he's added to that document is mine to actually watch and use thereafter. Go back to the document.
Yeah, so everything that you create on here is recorded and it's uploaded to PageSend.com. So you can share the link with any of your students, and they can sort of use it to maybe review the lesson or to catch up on something they've missed. Yeah, and we're bringing out an iPod Touch and an iPhone version in the next month or so. And we're also having some marking tools, so you can sort of ask questions at the end of the lesson or whatever. So it's a free app. If you've got an iPad, we encourage you to give it a go and send us some feedback. It's called PageSend.
What was the name of the app again, sorry?
PageSend, I'll just stick it up on there. Yeah, I'm writing. There we go. There you go. So it's PageSend. Yeah. I think that's a bit slow. Okay.
Okay.